Best practices for Afterpay Shopify integration is a crucial topic for online store owners who want to offer their customers a seamless and secure payment experience. To get started, you need to have a Shopify store and an Afterpay account. First, you need to install the Afterpay payment gateway on your Shopify store. This can be done by going to the Shopify App Store, searching for Afterpay, and clicking the Install button. Once installed, you will be redirected to the Afterpay website to complete the setup process. After installation, you need to configure the Afterpay settings on your Shopify store. This includes setting up the payment terms, repayment schedule, and fees. You also need to customize the Afterpay branding and messaging on your store to match your brand identity. One of the best practices for Afterpay Shopify integration is to clearly display the Afterpay option on your product pages and at checkout. This can be done by adding an Afterpay banner or button to your product pages and checkout page. You should also make sure that the Afterpay terms and conditions are clearly displayed on your store. Another best practice is to test the Afterpay integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly. You should test the payment flow, repayment schedule, and fees to ensure that everything is working as expected. You should also test the integration with different payment methods and devices to ensure that it is compatible with all platforms. In addition to testing, you should also monitor the Afterpay performance on your store regularly. This includes tracking the number of customers using Afterpay, the average order value, and the repayment rate. You can use the Afterpay dashboard and Shopify analytics to track these metrics and make data-driven decisions to optimize the Afterpay integration on your store. Finally, you should ensure that you are complying with the Afterpay terms and conditions and Shopify policies. This includes ensuring that you are displaying the Afterpay branding and messaging correctly, and that you are not using Afterpay to process prohibited transactions. By following these best practices, you can ensure a seamless and secure Afterpay Shopify integration that provides a great customer experience and drives sales on your online store.